Hey, I'm Ivy with WTI, and today I wanted to talk about these chunky black platform sneakers. I bought these sneakers for my little sister because she's absolutely obsessed with the all black street fashion, and she loves these sneakers because they're all black and they go with all of her outfits. She also loves how these sneakers are just so trendy. What's also really good about these sneakers is that they have memory foam inside, so they're super comfortable and easy to walk in. There's also a lot of extra room if you want to include your own arch support or anything like that to make them even more comfier. The most notable feature about these sneakers is the platform. The platform is approximately 3 inches tall, so this is great for people who like to look more elongated. It makes your legs look much slimmer, and they're just really in style right now. My sister absolutely loves the unique design, and they have become one of her favorite shoes. And I love that these shoes are machine washable. These sneakers were exactly what I was looking for, and I honestly think that they're the best, but that's just my point of view.